Hi, I'm Nick Ryan, an ex-Pogo Pro athlete. Today, I'm going to be telling you about the Master Pogo Stick from Flybar. This was my favorite pogo stick growing up as a kid. This pogo stick comes ready to bounce. Take it right out of the box, no assembly required. So this stick is 41 inches in height, but a measurement you want to keep in mind is going to be from the foot pegs to the handlebars, and that's 30 inches. Now this is important because you want the handlebars to sit right around your waist. And this pogo stick is going to be for riders 80 to 160 pounds, ages 9 and up, which is awesome because that's right when I started riding this stick. There are a few key features that really set it apart. First is going to be the foam covering. Keeps you safe, comfortable, covers the whole body, keeps the stick looking great. Second, the classic steel spring inside stays completely covered for your safety while riding. Finally, this pogo stick has nice non-slip foot pegs and a wide stance tip for better balance and stability while bouncing. Alright, so that's enough talking. Let's take this Master Pogo Stick out for a ride. But first, always use your head, always wear a helmet. Alright, that was awesome. Now that you've seen the Master in action, let's do a quick rundown. It's going to be for riders weighing 80 to 160 pounds, ages 9 and up. It's going to come in the following colors. You're looking for a height potential of about 2 to 3 feet. Some of the key features are going to be this full body foam covering, non-slip foot pegs, a wide stance tip, and this awesome spring cover. Now this stick is great if you're just looking to start bouncing, mastering some basic tricks, or just looking to have fun.
Hello, I am iPogo Jr., the interactive pogo stick from Flybar, the original pogo stick company. Ready to jump! $15. Keep going. $50. How high can you go? $100. You're a Flybar rock star. Don't stop now. Record-breaking Flybar champion. iPogo Jr. signing off. See you soon.
Bye.